Hey, hi, this is the three-piece neck gaiter. This is for winter warmer face mask. Earlier I showed this one comes in a three-pack, so black, white, and gray. There are other colors available, and as you see, like I will just open. So this is the warm, comfortable cloth, and the stitching is good. The fabric looks, flexible and comfortable. Um, you can also like they can use for protection like from dust, from winter snow and everything. And you can see like the stretching and the length of this cloth is better and it's flexible. So I can show you like how this looks on the face as well. um, right now, like I'll just show you the all three colors that comes with it. So there's the black, white, and gray. They're all like same with the same stitching. The color is different, same flexible warm cloth.